Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful updates on educational content.
Introduction to Physiology. Physiology is the branch of biological science that deals with the functions and mechanisms of the human body. It explains how cells, tissues, and organs work individually and together to maintain life. Example in physiotherapy. Understanding how muscles contract helps physiotherapists plan exercise programs. 2. Importance of physiology in physiotherapy. Physiology is the foundation of clinical physiotherapy practice. It allows therapists to understand normal bodily functions before treating dysfunction, predict how a body responds to therapy, for example, exercise, massage, electrotherapy, monitor vital signs and adapt treatment accordingly, understand healing processes for better rehabilitation. Why it matters? Without knowledge of physiology, treatment could be ineffective or even harmful. It helps in evidence-based practice and patient-specific care. Homeostasis, the core principle. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. Key systems involved: nervous system, fast control; endocrine system, slow, long-term control. Examples: regulation of body temperature, maintaining blood pressure during exercise, adjusting oxygen levels during deep breathing. Relevance in PT. Helps understand how a patient's body reacts to exercise or pain. Guides the safe progression of physical activity during rehabilitation. 4. Levels of physiological organization. Understanding how the body is organized helps in analyzing where dysfunctions occur. Chemical level. Ions, molecules like ATP. Cellular level. Muscle cell, neuron. Tissue level. Muscle tissue, nervous tissue. Organ level. Heart, lungs, brain. System level. Muscular, nervous, cardiovascular. Organism level. The whole body. 5. Key body systems related to physiotherapy. Musculoskeletal system. Bones, joints, muscles. Supports movement and stability. Common target of physical therapy. For example, post-fracture rehab. Nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, nerves. Controls voluntary and involuntary functions. Essential for treating strokes, paralysis, and neuropathies. Cardiovascular system. Heart and blood vessels. Delivers oxygen and nutrients. Important in cardiopulmonary rehab and endurance training. Respiratory system. Lungs, trachea, diaphragm. Controls breathing and gas exchange. Critical in COPD rehab and respiratory physiotherapy. Integumentary system. Skin and connective tissues. Involved in wound healing, burns, and scar mobilization. 6. General principles of cellular function. Understanding cells helps explain recovery, pain, and healing. Membrane transport. Movement of substances, like ions, in and out of cells. Energy production, ATP, needed for muscle contraction, cell repair. Protein synthesis, for healing and muscle building. Cell communication, hormones and neurotransmitters for signaling. Clinical example. After injury, cells activate repair processes. Knowledge of this helps physiotherapists plan the right intensity and timing of treatment. Application in physiotherapy practice. Muscle contraction, designing strength training programs, neuroplasticity, stroke and spinal cord injury rehab, oxygen transport, monitoring breath rate and endurance training, homeostasis, adjusting therapy in elderly or cardiac patients, tissue healing process, choosing modalities like heat, ultrasound or TENS. Summary points. Physiology helps explain how the human body functions. It is essential for safe and effective physiotherapy. Understanding systems and cellular processes helps you treat patients better. Homeostasis and adaptation are core themes in rehabilitation. Without physiology, treatment would lack scientific grounding.